As district heating continues to expand, the challenge for you is to connect more and more buildings to your distribution network. How do you do this efficiently in order to utilize capacity in the best possible way? Well, it requires real insight and detailed knowledge because each network is unique. So there's really no such thing as a standard network anymore. Your network is by no means static either. The ratio between space heating and hot water preparation changes. Building mass constantly evolves. The average household blueprint is less clear, and buildings use far less energy today than they did, say, 15-20 years ago. Or do they? So why use theoretic models that don't represent your utility? Especially when you can call on real-time data from intelligent meters already installed in your network. The analytics tool, CAMStrip Heat Intelligence, links smart meter data with detailed pipe characteristics, giving you a precise picture of the actual load throughout your network. Combining data from all your heat meters, it also allows you to create virtual meters in areas where you lack transparency today. In other words, CAMStrip Heat Intelligence is based on real data. This means that you can base your heat supply on the specific conditions in your network. For example, consumption behavior, the integration of renewables, the age and condition of the building mass, the ratio between industry and housing. That insight enables you to calculate a coincidence factor specifically for your network, because no two networks are the same. For example, when you dimension new pipes, a fully transparent network allows for higher accuracy because your decisions are based on facts rather than assumptions. Imagine the cost of getting it wrong. Instead of knowing tomorrow what you should have done today, CAMStrip Heat Intelligence allows you to fully utilize your current capacity and build on that knowledge as your network changes and expands. The solution is ready. It's up to you to take the next step.